Why falling asleep on the couch can come back to haunt you. Oh, that lovely nap on the couch. You slowly drift to sleep while watching a nice movie, time slows down, and your body, the couch, walks you toward the kingdom of Morpheus. Sounds awesome. If only it was that smooth and perfect. Turns out that sleeping on the couch can be quite an unhealthy activity. Your couch is dirty. Your couch has an incredible ability to gather lots of dust. No surprise, we use it every single day, drop crumbs on it, and simply bring all the dust from other places to it. We don't change into our PJs every time we sit on our lovely sofa, right? To top it all off, our guests sit on it as well. Of course, you can vacuum it regularly, but it would be impossible to get rid of all the germs. Allergens, bacteria, and mold spores will inevitably trigger allergic reactions. Your sleeping position is wrong. You throw your spine out of alignment when you sleep on the couch. No matter how modern it is, it's designed solely for a nice get-together and not for a comfortable sleep. In general, couches have unsuitable structures that can't ensure the right sleeping position. A sloppy alignment will be the cause of your aches and pains. Surprisingly, even sleeping on the floor is not as harmful as sleeping on a couch. You are more exposed to distractions. As a rule, a nice couch is usually in the vicinity of a TV, lamps, and happens to be located in the living room. Even the smallest light from your TV can be the reason for your overall tiredness. You will get distracted by all the humming and flashing. You might not notice this at first, but eventually, exhaustion will build up and become overwhelming. Your couch is uncomfortable. All those little couch seams and decorations don't seem to be that noticeable. It's just a small seam. What could happen? The material can also be the reason for your poor sleep. All those little things will drive you nuts when you're trying to fall asleep. Your freedom of movement will be restricted as well. Consequently, your pressure points won't be relieved when needed. The next morning, whether you like it or not, you'll have terrible back or neck pain.